Is that from Uncle Jim? Is it the book he wrote?
Come on, Ava. It's Uncle Jim and Aunt Pam. What's in there?
Is this a card?
I don't know. You can help open it.
Okay. It's taped. So I have to.
That's a card.
Ava's got a shirt.
Let's
And
see.
it says Eagles.
It says White Sox.
Hey, like mine.
Yep.
Let's see.
Hey, I get to read the card.
Come on, Ava. Open your present.
Oh, this is cute. It's a special Wick shirt.
It says, Happy Birthday, Ava. Happy birthday. Wait, Ava's got a sticker.
Let's see, Ava.
Ava's got a sticker. Ava's
Ooh,
got a
Doc McStuffins. Dusty's
Ava, we
Musties.
love you. Happy birthday to Ava.
Ava, that's for when your hair starts growing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ava. Number 2.
What'd you get, Ava? You got hair
This
clips?
was from you, from number 2.
Awesome.
Ava, can you say thank you?
From Uncle Jim and Aunt Pam.
Say love you.
Wow.
Say birthday.
Bye-bye.
I'm 2.
Please.
It's from your godfather, Jim.